So I have finished with my strategies. I'd like you please to tell me, what do you think about the pros and cons? Do you think it's applicable to our students, or do you think that it's applicable to a certain level of people? Can you apply it to yourself? Is it only for beginners, or it could be for advanced? What do you think? Let me hear. Yes, please. Can you raise your voice, please?
The biggest con for me is how do we deal with the cultural taboos?
Oh, taboos. Yes, it's a good point actually, because
maybe you could find a show that doesn't have too much of that.
yeah.
I show my students Netflix a lot of times, so I usually choose like Hilda is like a good show on Netflix. It's so good for kids.
Yeah,
Sherlock is a good show.
that's a good point.
You have to watch it first.
Yes, Miss. Please, if you have thoughts, be kind enough to wait and share with us. Let's hear from. Excuse me. Let's hear from Maryam, please.
So, for example, I was using this kind of method with this thing called the show called Who Killed Gregory. It's in French, so I think that would be great. It doesn't necessarily have to be beginners, but I think the con here is just the verification or the validation of how correct the things that you're interpreting or getting out of the.
In terms of decency, you mean?
I know, I just mean like understanding. Yeah, like do you actually comprehend what you are listening to and what you end up writing? Because I feel like with writing skills, students, nothing they can't write, but it takes a lot of work to get them to write correctly. So maybe having at the writing stage a peer or someone that can help you maybe.
To evaluate, probably.
Just an example.
Dr. Hussein, please.
Yeah, thank you very much. Well, I appreciate it really, this very insightful presentation. Basically, I speak Romanian, my wife is Romanian, so I speak it, and I can say I can speak it fluently, to a certain extent, of course.
Amazing.
I make my mistakes, but I can speak it. I learned it from actually subtitles. I used to watch films, American or English films, with subtitles in Romanian. So I basically used to, of course, knowing some, because the language is Latin-based, so that most of the words are similar, but the structure, the syntax is completely different. But believe me, simply by listening, of course, to English, which I understand, and then reading the subtitles, within, believe it or not, I didn't receive any formal education in Romanian, but basically I could understand very well, and within 1 year I started speaking the language.
Amazing.
Oh yeah, thank you very much. Well, combined with this, it's not only this, but the lexical approach I use. Probably if you attended the keynote, with, I think, Mrs. Rachel. Yeah, she's here next to me. Wonderful. Oh, well, of course, talking about the lexical approach, chunks, lexical phrases, these are wonderful, basically. This what creates what we call in language the confluence, lexical confluence, when you become a native-like in your speaking. And this helps you a lot, basically, in internalizing lots of words and chunks. These chunks are not used haphazardly, they are used in certain contexts. So the minute we watch and compare what we watch with what we actually basically say, that will create this fluency over, within a very short period of time, I would say, relatively. You see, so this approach is very, very effective, but it has to be taken seriously. There has to be some dedication. Basically, you need to watch, and now with Netflix, it makes it like even much easier. Because you have the choice, you have the subtitles ready for you. Everything could be actually, customizable, the way you like it. So I think in no time you can learn even foreign languages, not only English, using Netflix. Thank you very much indeed, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Who else would like? Oops. You hate me today. Yes, please.
Okay. Hi, is this working? Is this working? Yeah. So I try to do it for myself for Arabic, but I haven't been watching with subtitles except a couple times, and I think the subtitles are much better, to help with the English and the Arabic. But I found also, when I'm watching the Arabic, if I take a word out of context and I write it down how I've heard it, and I go ask a native speaker, often they don't know what I'm saying because I haven't pronounced it correctly and I don't have it in context. And I think that could be a problem with our students as well. And also, I can't spell well enough in Arabic, and our students don't spell well enough in English to actually find the word. Mm-hmm. And of course, Arabic, I need to know the root. I don't know the root. I can't find it, and I'm watching Kuwaiti dialect, so that's a whole nother element in there.
That's why I said when you look up a word, try to rewind the same scene so you can hear exactly how the word was pronounced properly.
Yeah, but
also
like
the context.
But if you, like in Arabic, you don't have what? You don't have the P, so you're going to hear a B, Bebzi. So you're not going to be able to look the word up correctly. In Arabic, for an Arabic speaker, you do not have the letter P. Yeah, so you're only going to hear B. So you might not be able to look the word up correctly.
I think this is dealt with beyond the primary stage, I believe.
No, but some people still have
some still, yeah.
Like me, with certain letters in Arabic.
Would like? Yes, please.
Can I just say that I came in here, like honestly, I came in here thinking I know how to learn through Netflix because I use Netflix in my classroom and I use it with my family. Even my mom learns English through Netflix. My sister learns Korean through Netflix. But what you said, like, it really adds a lot. It's like the third stage, just listen. It struck me because I can't even listen to like English pop music without reading the lyrics first because I'm so dependent on the English subtitles. So now I'm just I'm walking out today and I will focus more on listening because I noticed that I don't pay attention to listening. It's just reading and speaking. Even like with shows, like I watch Sherlock a lot, it's on Netflix. I watch the episode and then I watch it again and then I read the subtitles and then I speak the dialogue. Like I memorize some dialogues, but I've never listened to like an episode without subtitles, never.
Yeah. You should start.
I should.
From today, maybe?
Yeah, Sherlock again.
Who else? Maria?
I have a question for Professor. Like, do you think because your wife is Romanian that it was easier for you to grasp the Romanian language, and as well with you because you married into a Kuwaiti family and like? Yes, exactly, and not only that, but a lot more practice than someone that would just. Because like I'm trying to learn French using Netflix, but no one speaks French to me. You know what I'm saying? So it takes me a lot longer. So is that
there's a program called I Talk I. I haven't done it, but I have a friend that does it. They have language teachers all over the world. You can get a French teacher that way, and I think it's pretty
exactly.
Right. Yes, that's the question. Like you have to practice the language.
You have to pay, maybe. Is it for
It's fine.
No, you have to pay. I don't know.
Yeah, this
teacher, but
actually
it's
this is
I
one.
talk I. I like the letter I.
This is one of the pros is that you only need a mobile with internet to practice this. You don't need someone else.
No, but she needs to interact like a dialogue.
Yeah, it's different. Well, like.
Yeah. First of all, thank you for. Sure. Yeah, sure, absolutely. While you are just explaining this, my mind went right away to myself when I'm working actually now on myself in the Turkish language. And the thing is, while I'm watching this, as you said, the first stage here says listen and read. Yeah. It's helping a lot, but honestly, if you're learning a language, I'm thinking about those people who are ESL or still in the first stage of English. When they look at a language, the way I look at the Turkish language, for example, I feel like, oh my God, I'm missing a lot. Oh yeah, I'm grabbing some words, but still I need that subtitle. So it's very hard to finish this stage easily. So I believe that every stage that you're working on should take at least more than 2 months or 3 months. Probably. Like listen and read takes 3 to 4 months. And then the next one, listen and speak, that will take another 3 months. This way, by 1 year, then the person can be able to speak very close, like to near native speaker. So we have to think of those people who are ESL speakers or English as a second language people. Thank you very much.
Okay, I'm sorry I took longer than my time, but I'm really excited to be discussing with you, and I really enjoyed. Thank you so much again. Thank you so much.
What's it cost? I thought it was like illegal here. I didn't realize you could
$11 monthly, I think, around that. They have like 3 packages. a different
because
price.
you know, I really want the Kuwaiti serials with subtitles.
Oh,
That's what
really?
I want. Yeah, because I found I was watching Kuwait Airways on the Kuwaiti serials.
Thank you. Talk to you later. It's brilliant.
Thanks very much. لا يلا الحمد لله انا والله هذا انا مجرد محاضر اداره عندها سياسه قالوا لي اريد اسمع يلا الحمد لله